What is up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take this time to show you guys how to make the Moringa rice water treatment. I realized that some of my past videos I didn't really show you exactly what it is I did or told you exactly what it was I did. So in this video I'm going to take the time out to explain to you exactly what I did. So the first thing I did is the rice water. So I washed off my rice twice. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the video on exactly how I'm doing everything that I'm telling you about right now. So the first thing I did is I washed the rice twice, okay? After I washed the rice twice, I go ahead and I put it in my pickle jar with some water. You can let that sit for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or what you can do is you can leave the rice sit in the water for 15 minutes and then strain out the rice and then take that water and ferment it. Let it ferment in a dark corner someplace. Now, after the rice water has fermented, this is when I put the moringa in it. And I try to put the moringa at least a day before I put it in my head, just so that the rice water could have the moringa infused inside of it, right? So you want to put the moringa in it a day before. I do have a video on how I create the moringa powder. Moringa. Well, it's actually moringa, but you know, so I keep saying moringa, but it's moringa. So I have a video on how I make the moringa powder, right? Once you have the moringa powder, you can purchase the moringa powder online. I believe Amazon have it. Just Google moringa powder and you'll find different places that has it. For me, I grow the moringa, so I go ahead and I dry the leaves and then I blend it to make the powder. I have a video on how to do that. So once I have the powder, I go ahead and I take 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder and I put it inside the rice water a day before I'm about to use it on my head. Then the next thing I do, because sometimes, like, if I have my moringa, like the last video I did, the moringa that I used to wash out my hair, I had that for 2 weeks. I actually had it in the fridge for like 2 weeks. I let it ferment outside the fridge for at least 4 or 5 days, and then I put it in the fridge, you know, that way it lasts longer. So I put it in the fridge, and then like the day before I was about to wash my hair, I go ahead, I put the moringa powder inside it, and then the next day, I put it in some hot water. I showed you guys that in the rice water routine video. I put it in some hot water while I'm shampooing my hair. So that's probably like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and it gets really warm and nice. And then I go ahead and I apply it to my hair. That is exactly what I did. That's exactly what I do to make the moringa powder. So basically, you're just making the rice water and you're adding 1 to 2 teaspoons moringa powder, depending on how much rice water you have. If you have a lot of rice water, then add more moringa powder. So if you have a big amount, I don't think you should make that much, but like for my little pickle jar, I put like 2 teaspoons in there, you know, and then I let it sit the day before, and then I warm it up before applying it to my hair. That way it could penetrate my cuticles better, because now it's nice and hot Well, not hot, but warm, very warm. And that is how to make the moringa powder. I will go ahead and insert some clips from my previous videos so that you can see how just little clips here and there. If you want to see the full video, I'm going to leave all the links down in the description below. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, for your support. I truly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.